Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vidisha, and in this video I am going to show a quick, fresh yet long lasting summer makeup tutorial. So let's begin. First of all, I am using a moisturizer. This is from Garnier. This is the anti-wrinkle lift cream. This is a very lightweight cream and it moisturizes your skin very well. So I would suggest to use a lightweight cream as it will not feel heavy to your skin throughout the day. Next, I am going to use the sunscreen. This is from Jovees. It has an SPF of 50 plus plus. So, using a sunscreen is a very important step, especially during summers. Don't go out without a sunscreen. Make sure to use an SPF of 50 plus, as it would prevent your skin from premature aging as well as from skin cancer. For my under eye dark circles, I am using a concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I am in the shade medium. Now using a brush, blend this concealer into your skin. Use a very light hand for this. Using the same concealer around my mouth area to even out my skin tone. Next, I'm using a foundation, but you can definitely skip this step. But if you want a foundation for your skin during summers, make sure to use a matte foundation. I have used the Maybelline's Super Stay Foundation. This is a very good foundation because it's matte and it's long lasting. Now setting my foundation in, I am going to use a compact powder. This is again from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me compact powder. I have the shade medium. So I have used these two eyeshadows for my eyes. Using a blending brush, just apply all over your crease. Now I have used this metallic shade for my lid. I am using fingers to apply this metallic shade. Now for eyeliner, I have used the Maybelline's the bold eyeliner. This is a very good everyday wear eyeliner. Using the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. This is such a good mascara and it's very affordable. You can use it every day. Now for my cheeks, I am going to use the Sugar's mini blush. This is 01 Peach Pick. I love this blush, and so this is my favorite part to apply highlighter. I am using the Wet n Wild highlighter. I forgot the shade name. Next, for my lips, I am using the Sugar's Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. This is in the shade 07 Peachwood Mac. This is a very light pink shade and it will give you a natural finish look. And it is matte. So in summers, prefer using a matte lipstick. And mixing it with an orange shade. This is from my Glamm. So if you like this video and this makeup tutorial, please hit the like button, comment, share on my video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.